Hello, hello, people who like Lego stuff and who don't like Lego stuff, and who people are just watching this video and creepy stalkers. Today, we are going to show you
Candy heart.
Creep you.
And chocolate.
Candy heart.
And take it out.
We're gonna microwave it for 1 minute, and that crunch part was actually pretty good.
Yeah, tastes good. Ah! It's melting, sir.
Just microwave it. 1 minute. And while we're waiting for that, we're gonna play you a little song, Kyle. Remember to troop around when I give you a cue.
Let's go la la bee. Let's go la la.
Let's go la la bee.
Yeah, got out the tweet.
That's my popcorn.
It's done. Oh no, we didn't start. Get ourselves a treat. Now,
How'd you like that? Cheer if you like it. Yeah! Woo, yeah!
alright, so look at our candy heart. It's not doing anything, but it's gonna be.
Here we
trust
go.
me. Oh.
The next thing that we're doing.
The drive-in. 27 seconds.
Hi, you hungry? Looking for a tempting treat? Hold on till I absorb some heat. Some added song might please you too.
It's
I'll
cheap, dude.
slide into an oven fresh bun, and I'm ready to
Alright, so keep her on the thing. And tell me how the candy heart is.
Done. Let me just check it. It's still melting. Put it in for 50 seconds.
Kyle, here's something in the background again.
That's so washing. Ah, yeah. Die.
Eat lemon sucker!
Why don't you? Whoa.
I hate that! It's done!
All right. Crazy. It's melted.
Bring it out. Bring it out to me, Kyle, buddy. Go follow.
Whoa! I did more than just melt.
Bring it out.
Ew. It's a pile of mush.
That's what happens when you microwave a candy heart for 2 minutes.
No, 3.
That is the grossest thing I've seen ever.
Well,
So thank you.
and goodbye.